What is good, YouTube? It's the HemiTwinz back here with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? First and foremost, we want to appreciate y'all for hitting 10K subs, man. That's been a long journey and a good journey to do, man. It just, you know what I'm saying? Something about that 10K just means that we doing something good, man, to YouTube. Y'all boy watching our channel. So, you know what I'm saying? We want to appreciate y'all boy, man, and just right now, this video right here just going to be, you know what I'm saying, a low car review, man. So don't be mad of us. I know y'all boy probably not expecting this, but y'all, some may and some may not. But don't be mad of us, man. Just know y'all just need to stay tuned to the channel, man. We won't disappoint y'all, man. If y'all boy know, man. This is our new car. Chrysler 300, man. Y'all boy don't know what we're trying to do, y'all boy just stay tuned. This is a 2013 Chrysler 300, man. So, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna make this thing look up to date. We're gonna, bro, just know, when we touch this junk, it's not gonna look like this for a long time. 101 now. This is a 101 build, man. So y'all thought we did a lot to the scat. Y'all thought we did a lot to the scat, boy. That's funny. That's funny, man. So I'm gonna just take y'all boy around just to show y'all how this thing looks. You know what I'm saying? That's it. So show y'all the front bumper real quick, you know. So it got a lot of chrome accent going around. It's got aftermarket headlights. You know what I'm saying? We got a sunroof up there now. Y'all know what I'm saying? We got a sunroof up there. Hold on. Let's pop the hood and show them what we're working on. Oh yeah. Pop that hood real quick, man. Listen, y'all about a big engine in this thing, man. Y'all probably think this a little engine in this thing. You feel what I'm saying? Damn. Come on, man. Oh. You know what I'm saying? Hey, come closer, man. You see that right there? What that say right there, man? You know what I'm saying? Come on now. This one of those ones right here. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, this the big boy right here, man. That's why we got this car. You know what I'm saying? Chrysler motherfucker. So we gonna close that because we don't want y'all to see too much. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy come with me, man. So y'all boy the back real quick and we gonna jump in the inside. So whoever had this car, they had a little wicker bill on this thing. You know what I'm saying? They tinted the tail lights, and this is a special edition Chrysler 300. I think like only 2,000 of these made. But, you know what I'm saying, good little car. You know what I'm saying, little small things matter. Got the 300 on the rear view. I mean, the camera. The brake light. Yeah, on the brake light. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. So, that's really it for the outside. But, y'all boy come in the inside real quick, man. This is how the inside look right now, y'all boys. So we got the wood grain on the doors, got the wood grain on the dash too, and we got it on the gear shifter. And look at this, man. We've been being so picky, man. We had to get the sunroof because our Scat didn't have no sunroof, so we had to make sure we got the sunroof this time. This is a panoramic sunroof. If I'm saying that, you know, I don't know how to speak. But yeah, we had to make sure, man. Every time we saw a Chrysler 300, either they didn't have a color we wanted or it didn't have the sunroof. So we've been taking a long time because of that. But yeah, this is how the inside look. You know what I'm saying? We got these engraved. I don't know if y'all can see that, but something engraved on the seat right here. I don't know what that means, but I guess it's like some type of special edition, man. But once we find them, man, we'll put it on the screen. Yeah, I'll show y'all, boy. But yeah, he got the upgraded Tesla screen in this thing, so you know it's somewhat modern in here, but got the seats and stuff, man. Yeah, man, y'all boy just stay tuned. This whole interior gonna be different, man. It's just gonna be different, man. Y'all boy stay tuned for the build. We appreciate y'all boy again for the 10K and 100K soon, man. But yeah, y'all, that's the 300 motherfucker right there. You know what I'm saying? That's the 300, man. This is going to be a project for us, and we're gonna take this one all the way to the moon, man. We're gonna do a whole lot to the thing, man. I can't emphasize that enough, but y'all boy, just stay tuned. I'm telling y'all, man, we won't disappoint y'all, man, but we appreciate y'all boy for the 10K, man. We're gonna be doing a $200 giveaway, man. So make sure y'all boy follow our IG. We're gonna go live on there or on YouTube Live, and we're gonna be giving away $200 just to give back and to show y'all, thank y'all for the support, man. Cause 10K, man, that's a huge milestone, man. Cause when people are doing this YouTube stuff, you know what I'm saying, 1K take a lot of time and dedication to get to, but 10K, you know what I'm saying, we sticking around doing this content stuff, man. So this is what we want to do, y'all. So y'all boy, help us out, man. Follow all our social medias, stay up to date on what we do, and yeah, that's how y'all gonna get entered to the giveaway, man. Yeah, man, this the HemiTwinz, man. Y'all already know, man. It's the HemiTwinz, man. We got this thing, man. Y'all boys stay tuned, man. It's the HemiTwinz. Hold on. Man, let's get this video for 30 likes, man. If y'all like the 300, man, let us know what y'all think about the 300 in the comment section. 300 for 300 likes, man. Yeah, hey, that's a good idea. I ain't gonna lie, man. Get us to 300 likes on this video, man. You already know, man. Stay tuned for the next video. And yeah, it's the HemiTwinz, and we are out.